2025 McLaren 765LT is not just a car, it's an adrenaline-fueled masterpiece built for those who crave pure speed and precision. Imagine the roar of a twin-turbo V8, the aerodynamically sculpted body slicing through the wind, and the feeling of being strapped into a machine that defies the limits of performance. This is the ultimate track-focused supercar, designed to push boundaries and deliver an experience like no other. At its core, the 2025 McLaren 765LT is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, unleashing a staggering 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The lightweight carbon fiber construction ensures blistering acceleration, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Every aspect of this machine is engineered for speed, from the enhanced aerodynamics to the lighter exhaust system, creating an unfiltered, raw driving experience that keeps your pulse racing. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, keeping you engaged whether you're on the road or dominating the track. The exterior is a work of art, blending aggressive styling with aerodynamics that serve a purpose. A massive front splitter, extended side skirts, and an active rear wing generate increased downforce, keeping the car glued to the road even at high speeds. The revised air intakes and lightweight titanium exhaust not only enhance performance, but also give the 765LT an unmistakable, menacing presence. Every curve and vent is meticulously designed to optimize airflow, making this one of the most track-capable McLarens ever built. Step inside, and the driver-focused cockpit immediately immerses you in the world of high-performance driving. Alcantara-wrapped carbon fiber seats, a race-inspired steering wheel, and a minimalist yet high-tech digital instrument cluster keep everything within reach, ensuring maximum focus on the road ahead. The infotainment system is lightweight yet intuitive, offering essential controls without unnecessary distractions. McLaren's attention to detail is evident, with every button and switch positioned for optimal usability, reinforcing the car's pure driver-centric philosophy. Owning the 2025 McLaren 765LT isn't just about having a car, it's about embracing an experience. It's about the thrill of pushing limits, the raw connection between man and machine, and the feeling of pure, uncompromised performance. This isn't just another supercar, it's a statement, a testament to McLaren's relentless pursuit of speed, precision, and perfection.